Some people waste thousands trying to make their car look expensive, while a hidden group of drivers uses smart, viral shortcuts to get the exact same status for pennies. Right now, everyone is obsessed with a few elite upgrades that completely transform a basic cabin into a premium experience. Today, we expose the absolute best car accessories for under $100. If you want your ride to trigger instant jealousy, subscribe now, hit like, and comment your favorite gadget. Your direct access links are waiting in the description. Fumbling in the dark while reversing or guessing your distance during a tight parallel park is a stress you do not need. This solar-powered wireless camera brings high-end parking assistance to absolutely any vehicle. Forget about complicated wiring or expensive mechanic fees. It mounts to your license plate in just 2 minutes, throwing a crystal-clear 1080p feed onto a premium 5-inch monitor. Armed with a massive battery and a smart solar panel, it delivers total visibility even in pitch-black conditions. You can claim this massive safety and tech upgrade for $129.99. Walking back to your parking spot only to find an empty space is a nightmare no driver deserves to experience. Professional thieves look for easy targets, but this heavy-duty steel barrier sends an instant message to look elsewhere. Its vibrant yellow finish acts as an immediate visual warning through the glass, while the twin-bar design hooks aggressively onto your steering wheel in seconds. No complicated setups, just solid copper protection that resists forced entry and gives you absolute peace of mind whenever you walk away from your vehicle. Securing your investment and commanding respect on the street is a small, satisfying upgrade available right now for $35.99. Turn the key, start the engine, and feel a deep, rich vibration that instantly transforms your favorite track into a live concert experience. Most factory sound systems lack that satisfying punch, leaving your music feeling flat, empty, and completely uninspiring during a long drive. This ultra-slim aluminum powerhouse slips completely out of sight beneath your seat, delivering 800 watts of peak bass power without stealing an inch of your precious cabin space or disrupting your interior aesthetic. The moment you accelerate, a striking blue light ring activates, casting a sophisticated ambient glow that matches the energetic rhythm of your journey. Complete with a dedicated wired remote to tune the exact intensity of your audio from the driver's seat and a full installation kit for seamless integration, it provides an immediate reward for your senses every time you turn up the volume. You do not need an expensive audio overhaul to command a rich, deep soundscape that commands attention. Upgrading your daily soundtrack to an immersive, premium audio environment is a remarkably accessible luxury available for $77.88. Cheap cardboard trees dangling from the rearview mirror look tacky and run out of scent in days, leaving your interior feeling neglected. This intelligent aluminum diffuser completely redefines your cabin environment by utilizing advanced ultrasonic tech to burst a fine, visible mist of pure French fragrance. It knows exactly when you are driving, automatically waking up as you start the engine and sleeping when you park to maximize every drop. One single charge provides 2 full months of operation, while the certified natural ingredients ensure a safe, premium atmosphere without any synthetic chemical undertones. Swapping out standard air fresheners for a smart, long-lasting oasis of tranquility is a sophisticated choice available for $99.99. A sudden warning light on your dashboard or a low tire in the middle of a dark highway can instantly ruin your schedule and spark a wave of stress. Instead of searching for a sketchy gas station air pump or handling greasy equipment, you can pull a compact, lightweight lifesaver right from your glove box. This heavy-duty digital compressor plugs directly into your 12-volt outlet and goes to work with smart, programmable technology. Simply set your desired target on the crisp backlit screen, connect the nozzle, and let the intelligent auto shutoff mechanism do the rest while you stay relaxed inside your cabin. Built with specialized molding tech to extend its lifespan and featuring a bright, integrated flashlight for night emergencies, it turns a potential roadside nightmare into a minor, effortless pause. Adding this crucial layer of security and confidence to your daily commute represents a practical, smart investment that you can secure right now for $27.17. Driving with incorrect tire pressure quietly destroys your fuel economy and wears down your tread blocks long before their time. Instead of relying on broken, inaccurate gas station pumps, this pocket-sized instrument puts professional calibration right in your palm. A single button cycles through 4 distinct measurement units on a crisp, backlit screen, while the illuminated nozzle guides you to a perfect seal even in total darkness. It automatically shuts off after 30 seconds to preserve power, waiting silently in your glove box until needed. Claiming total control over your safety and ride quality requires a minimal investment of just $7.58. Tangling with messy cables every single time you step inside your car is an annoying ritual that instantly dates your modern dashboard. Instead of plugging in your phone manually, this pocket-sized powerhouse upgrades your factory infotainment system into a fully automated digital command center. It syncs with your device in a swift 5-second window using next-generation wireless chips, ensuring your navigation map updates instantly and your audio playlist streams without a single stutter. A dedicated physical button lets you alternate between different phones with a single tap, while smart background programming automatically pairs the device the exact moment your engine turns over. Designed to stay completely out of sight while preserving your full steering wheel controls and voice commands, it strips away the daily clutter from your center console. Swapping out your restrictive physical cords for a streamlined, future-proof cabin environment is a remarkably clever enhancement you can claim for $47.99. Long road trips quickly turn into a test of patience when passengers in the back seat start getting restless. This premium metal mount locks onto the front headrest rods in seconds, transforming the rear cabin into a private movie theater. An adjustable biaxial arm smoothly extends and rotates a full 360 degrees, letting passengers select the exact viewing angle to prevent neck strain. Safe rubber pads grip any device firmly over bumpy roads. Enjoying a peaceful cabin environment on your next journey is an affordable upgrade priced at $17.99. Enduring a long road trip with your head bobbing uncomfortably side to side makes it impossible to actually rest, often leading to a stiff neck or a sudden headache. This orthopedic support system attaches to your seat poles without a single tool, creating a secure, plush cradle for your neck and spine. Crafted with high-density memory foam wrapped in breathable leather, the dual side cushions rotate a full 360 degrees to accommodate both adults and kids perfectly. When you finish resting, simply flip them upward to keep your cabin looking organized. Securing a truly restful, pain-free journey for your passengers is a brilliant comfort upgrade available right now for $26.99. Balancing a laptop on your knees or typing at an awkward angle while parked turns your vehicle into a frustrating and cramped workspace. This ergonomic workstation instantly flips that experience around, snapping directly onto your steering wheel to create a rock-solid professional desk in under 5 seconds. Featuring a 5-position height adjustment, it protects your neck and posture during long remote sessions, then easily flips over to double as a stable laptop stand. When your task is finished, the slim, foldable frame slides right into your seat pocket out of sight. Transforming your cabin into a fully functional mobile office costs just $29.99. Stranding on the roadside with a punctured tire usually means wrestling with a dirty jack, heavy tools, or waiting hours for an expensive tow truck to arrive. This advanced engineering solution completely replaces that chaotic chore, allowing you to seal a 6mm puncture and reinflate your tire without even touching a lug nut. The innovative bottle design routes directly between any standard portable compressor and your tire valve, using the active air pressure to seamlessly push the water-based formula inside. It requires absolutely no technical skills or physical strength, sealing the damage instantly while remaining completely non-corrosive and safe for your tire pressure monitoring sensors. It provides a reliable seal that lasts for up to 125 miles, giving you more than enough range to drive home safely or reach a local service garage at your own pace. Keeping this professional-grade backup plan inside your trunk ensures that a sudden nail on the road never compromises your schedule or your safety. You can add this essential roadside insurance policy to your glove box today for just $28.99. That terrifying check engine light on your dashboard usually means an immediate wave of anxiety and an expensive trip to the mechanic just to see what is wrong. This wireless diagnostic tool changes the game entirely, plugging into your port to stream real-time data straight to your smartphone via Bluetooth 5.4. It instantly decodes error logs, visualizes engine health through clean digital charts, and lets you clear fault codes yourself. Compatible with almost any vehicle, it puts absolute control over your car status right in your palm for a minimal investment of $20.88. Fumbling with cords while driving is a dangerous distraction. This 3-in-1 magnetic mount snaps onto your vent or dash, delivering 15 watts of wireless power instantly. Equipped with 20 ultra-strong magnets and a cool nightlight, it locks your phone down over massive bumps. Ditch the clutter and secure your view for $15.98. When a sudden crisis traps you inside your vehicle, every passing second determines your survival. Instead of panicking with locked doors or jammed mechanisms, this rugged 8-in-1 survival instrument equips you for an immediate escape. The integrated razor-sharp cutter slices through a locked seatbelt instantly, while the heavy-duty safety hammer shatters side glass without effort. If your battery dies completely, a manual hand crank generator sparks the device back to life, allowing you to charge your phone, activate a piercing 120 decibel siren, or stick the magnetic emergency beacon to your roof. Keeping this ultimate lifeline in your glove box costs $39.99. Standard car AC systems can take forever to cool down a baking hot cabin. This mini booster fan clips onto your vent to blast cold air instantly, utilizing a brushless motor that stays whispering quiet. A universal ball joint offers full 360-degree rotation, while a vibrant color light ring enhances your dash. Get instant relief for $12.99. Gritty keyboards, dusty vents, and stray pet hair can quietly ruin the pristine aesthetic of your workspace or cabin. This sci-fi-styled 1-pound powerhouse completely replaces bulky equipment, deploying a high-speed brushless motor that unleashes 19 kilopascals of aggressive suction. A crisp HD digital display tracks your power levels in real time, while the versatile 4-in-1 design seamlessly morphs from a deep cleaning vacuum into a high-velocity blower or inflator. When finished, a single button empties the debris without any mess. Upgrading to a spotless, ultra-modern environment costs $79.99. Keeping passengers entertained during long road trips usually means dealing with crowded small screens. This massive 17.3-inch digital roof monitor completely transforms the rear cabin, bringing a cinema-grade experience directly to your vehicle's ceiling. Designed for spacious SUVs and vans, the high-definition widescreen flips down smoothly up to a 130-degree angle to offer a perfect view from any seat. With built-in HDMI, USB, and SD card inputs, you can effortlessly mirror games from your phone, stream crisp movies, or share music with everyone on board. It also features integrated infrared and FM transmitters, allowing passengers to enjoy immersive audio through wireless headphones without disturbing the driver. Upgrading your vehicle into a premium entertainment lounge costs $215.99. Trying to hold a traditional flashlight between your teeth or balancing it precariously while working on a complex car repair or setting up a dark campsite is an exhausting, clumsy hassle. This tactical 2-pack of rechargeable work lights completely changes the game, offering a rugged aluminum chassis with an integrated heavy-duty magnetic base that securely grips onto any metal surface. The innovative mechanical design collapses to fit easily into your pocket, yet extends to deliver a full 360-degree rotation to target intense illumination exactly where your project demands it. A quick press of the command switch cycles through 5 specialized lighting modes, including high-intensity white beams for intricate mechanical work and a flashing red emergency strobe to guarantee roadside visibility. Since they recharge fully via standard USB, you will never have to buy or carry loose alkaline batteries again. Adding this versatile, hands-free lighting system to your workspace or emergency kit represents a smart upgrade available right now for $12.99. Stepping on the gas with the constant anxiety of a hidden speed trap or a sudden ticket can turn any road trip into a stressful experience. This high-end radar detector introduces a fully connected shield for your vehicle, deploying dual front and rear antennas to give you absolute 360-degree protection. With directional arrows pinpointing threats on screen, it uses smart onboard Wi-Fi to sync real-time community alerts directly with your dashboard layout. It even automatically learns your daily routes to eliminate annoying false alarms. Securing this ultimate level of driving confidence and awareness is an investment of $549.95. Driving through unpredictable city traffic or poorly lit highways without a reliable eyewitness leaves you completely vulnerable to fraudulent insurance claims and costly repair disputes. This advanced dual-camera surveillance system acts as your ultimate digital shield, deploying a high-tier image sensor to capture jaw-dropping, true 4K resolution in front and crisp 2K coverage in the rear. With an ultra-wide field of view that stretches effortlessly across 6 full lanes, the device uses a powerful artificial intelligence processor to act as your virtual co-pilot, delivering active, real-time warnings for lane departures, pedestrian hazards, and sudden tailgating. The integrated global positioning system automatically tracks your exact velocity and driving path directly onto the video, while an intelligent wide dynamic range system instantly balances harsh sunlight and deep night shadows. It even features a rugged supercapacitor designed to withstand extreme cabin temperatures, ensuring continuous operation when you need it most. Adding this premium, high-tech security detail to your daily commute costs just $99.99.